Today we'll see Oracle 12c features. This is one of the frequently asked interview questions. Before going to the actual topic, you should be aware of the following questions. How to check the Oracle version? By using this query, we can able to find out which version we are using. The interview will ask the question like this. In your current project, which version you are using? It will be either 11G or 12C. These are some of the Oracle versions we have. In the Oracle versions, what does I, G, and C means? I means internet, G means grid, C means cloud. The interview will ask the question like, in which tool or which ID you are working? Like in order to develop anything, which is the tool you are using? It would be one of the following this one. Mainly we will use Oracle SQL Developer or PLSQL Developer. If you're not able to answer these questions, the interview will assume that you don't have any hands-on experience. Now let us see the Oracle features. First one is the size limit of data type has been increased. Varchar and varchar2 and raw data type has been increased from 4000 bytes to 32767 bytes. Here raw data type is used to store binary data such as like graphics and audio files. Next one is that the size limit of the column or the table or function or any procedure or package has been increased from 30 bytes to 128 bytes. Earlier it is 30 bytes, now it is increased to 128 bytes. The advantage of increase in the size is used to like, by using the name, we can identify what the exact purpose of this table or procedure or any package. Next one is the top end queries or row limiting feature. This is the syntax. Fetch first n rows. N is replaced by number of rows what you want. By using an example, we can able to understand what exactly it is. Consider an employee table. From this table, I need to fetch top 3 salaries, that is 7,000, 6,000, and 3,000. We'll see how it can be achieved before 12C and after 12C. The salary records are getting sorted by descending order. So we want only 3 records. By using GRONUM, we can able to achieve. So by using 2 queries, we need to achieve before 12C. Now we'll see how it can be simplified by using 12C feature. So we have sorted the results and we want only 3 records. So by using fetch first 3 rows only, we can able to achieve. Now we'll see one tricky interview question, that is how to fetch the highest or maximum salary without using any functions such as maximum function, row number, or using any dense rank function. Consider this a table. I want the top highest salary, that is 7,000, needs to be printed without using any function. It can be achieved by using 12C feature. Just we need to fetch first 1 rows only. In a similar way, we need to find the minimum or lowest salary without using any function. So 100 is the minimum salary. Instead of descending, we are sorting the results by using ascending command. And we need to fetch first 1 rows only. By using this, we can able to get the lowest salary or minimum salary without using any function. Next feature is multiple indexes created on the same column. So by using this command, a non-unique index created on the column 1. Now a bitmap index created on the same column 1. We need to mention it as invisible. So if you want to see what type of index created on the particular table, by using db underscore indexes view, we can able to identify what are the indexes created on that particular table. The advantage of multiple index is that to check the performance of each type of index. So if the performance is not good, we'll drop the index and we'll create one more type of index so that we'll check whether it is working fine or not. So earlier, prior to 12C, like we'll create index, and if it is not good, we'll drop the index and we'll create one more type of index. In order to avoid this time gap, we'll make this index as invisible so that we can check the performance easily. That will be available at a particular time. Next feature is that invisible columns. So we're making password column as invisible. So the advantage is that to hide the sensitive information, we'll make some of the columns as invisible. So that if you query any table, these columns won't be appear in the select class. So the advantage is, one more advantage is that earlier prior to 12c, like if you want to hide something, we'll create an view for it. Next one is the with class. Prior to 12c, we'll use only with class for tables. In 12c, we'll use with class for PLSQL functions and procedures as well. So the advantage is that for practice purpose, we'll make use of the with class function or procedure. So the data objects will not be stored in the database. This concept will be used like in read-only database. We don't have any privilege to create any function or procedure. At that time, we'll make use of this function like with class function. Next is the truncate table name Cascade. So in order to remove the master table that is referring to the child table, by using this Cascade, we can able to remove both master and child table. The condition is that like a foreign, the child table should be having the syntax like foreign key references delete on Cascade. Delete on Cascade should be there on the child table so that when you delete the master table, the child table records also get deleted. Next one is the list tag enhancement. So list tag only support 4000 characters. If it is more than 4000 characters, then it will throw an error. So in order to handle this one, Oracle 12c provided two functionalities. On overflow truncate will remove the remaining part of the string. On overflow error will throw an error to the entire statement. Next one is the JSON. JSON is supported in 12c. JSON is nothing but JavaScript object notation, which is used for transmitting data between web applications. XML and JSON are used to send the data, that is used to transmit the data between client and server. So these are the features you should be aware. So you should aware like 3 to 4 features so that you can answer this question in the interview. Next upcoming video would be like masking of account number, Aadhaar number. If you like the content, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you for watching.